大家好，今天带来的是 LOZ Mini 颗粒积木小黄人蒂姆的一个拼装演示视频。小黄人蒂姆呢，身高是11.9 cm， 宽呢是8.4 cm。这个蒂姆的小黄人是小黄人系列里面最有脾气的一个形象，非常充满个性的一个角色哈，得到不少观众的喜欢。喜欢他的朋友不要错过这独一无二的 LOZ Mini 颗粒积木小黄人蒂姆，快快拼起你最喜欢的小黄人吧！
In the room, once I found you, was never gonna let you go. I didn't hesitate, I couldn't wait. All the other guys just evaporated. Once I found you, I couldn't help but let it show. It must be love, 'cause my heart thumps, and I'm so glad I waited for one. So many times I got it wrong. One time I thought I'd found the one. A couple of weeks and he was gone. You only need to find love once. I guess we all make mistakes. Hard to hurt when your heart breaks.